Hello everyone. So the entrance exam for integrated course of IIM Rohtak is over today, and I am here to present the analysis of the same. We will discuss about the entire selection procedure and also the expected cutoffs. So this is the entire selection procedure and the weightage given to different parameters like your entrance exam has been given a weightage of 55% and then interview 10th and 12th percentage. The intake this year is expected to be 198. Now the important dates you can keep in your mind that announcement for online personal interview will be in the last week of May. Personal interview will be held in the first and second week of June, and the final result is expected to be in the month of July. So if we talk about the exam, there were three sections: quantitative ability, logical reasoning and verbal ability. Each section has 40 questions. So in all you are expected to solve 120 questions in 120 minutes, and each correct answer will give you 4 marks, and there was a negative marking of 25%, and there was no sectional time limit. Now let us discuss about the strategy. So an ideal time allocation for verbal ability should be 30 minutes, for logical reasoning 40 minutes, and for quantitative ability 50 minutes. Let us discuss the sections. So if we talk about quantitative ability, most of the questions were based on average, mixture relegation, time, speed and distance, work and time, simple interest, compound interest. So I can say that arithmetic has been given more weightage as compared to the other areas, but there were few questions on probability, surds and indices, clocks, permutations and combination, number series. An ideal attempt in this section should be around 35 minutes in 35 questions in 50 minutes. Now let us come to the logical reasoning section. Now in this section questions were based on linear arrangement, hexagonal arrangement, direction based questions, blood relations, number series, coding, decoding, numbers and alphabet series, syllogism, cube, and there were few questions from quantitative ability also, like data sufficiency and average speed. An ideal attempt in this section could be 38 in 40 minutes. If we talk about verbal ability, so this section was going to be tougher than that of last year, and if we talk about the other two sections, the difficulty level was easier as compared to last year. And in verbal ability section, questions were based on reading comprehension, para-jumbles with option, vocabulary and the other areas that you can see on the screen. If I talk about an ideal attempt, it should be 35 in 30 minutes. Now if we talk about overall cutoff, so an ideal attempt out of 120 should be 108, and the overall accuracy 85%, then the cutoff is expected to be 350, and this is slightly higher than the cutoff for the last year. So because the difficulty level of specifically QA section and LR section was easy, so students after coming out of the exam, they were not discussing how many questions one has attempted, rather they were discussing that how many questions you have left. So this situation changes when the difficulty level decreases, and I wish you all the best for the forthcoming exams.